Well, I don't think you're ready, so I'm going to get you a little bit ready. I need you to stand right here. You might want to unbuckle that coat there. This is going to get a little interesting. Now, since you're an adventurous man and you like to travel around the world, let's take you to the plains of Africa. And I want you to pretend you're a lion. And I want you to get on your hands and knees. On your hands and knees. Now, Portia's here, the gazelle of the African plain, and you're stalking your prey. I want to set the background. Don't go yet, don't go yet. Now, you're hunting her. You're stalking her nice and slowly. Now, I want you to get that garter belt, but you got to use nothing but your teeth to get that garter belt. Now, no, not so fast, not so fast. No, come back here, come back here, come back here. A lion stalks his prey. We're gonna go low. Nice and slow, creep up. Yeah, no, try not to get too dirty. Now a quick, there you go. Be ready to pounce on her. Come on guys, make some noise for her, make some noise! Alright, now when you get up to her, you're gonna slowly get under that dress and use nothing but your teeth to retrieve your prize. And it's pretty hard. Come on guys, cheer them on, let's go, let's go! Nothing but your teeth, come on! Yeah. Go ahead, come on, son. Go after him. You're a lion. Take what's yours. Come on, guys. Make some noise for him. Come on. Oh, he's a talented little lion, isn't he? Oh, yeah! Come on, guys, big round of applause for Peter! I want to be like you when I grow up, son. All right, now,